So welcome back, guys. It's been a week since I last left the car, so it's back to the high-powered cablings. Work will be continue. So what I've done is actually I've labeled down one strand of it as red, so that would represent the positive terminal, and the other one I just left it alone. So that is doesn't take a genius to figure out that, but just to make sure everything is okay, I've picked up this to a meter quickly, and that's the other end of it. So just to make sure all things are connected correctly. So it's now best time to test it out. So that's correct, and shouldn't have anything from here, so that's good. So go ahead and put in the sockets for it. So very quickly, to use the DINS connector, I've simply pushed one side of it, and I have marked the size of the collar. So there's a collar size. So just marked it, and use the PVC cutter again. Goes around it. So if you could see, what I've done is actually I've pushed in a piece of metal down here. So this is actually an add-on, because if you could see, the Allen key actually pushes down, and I hope to place it just on top of this piece of metal, so the whole thing could force it to a larger contact surface, that the more surface comes into contact, where better current could be passed through. So all of that, because if you could see, uh, the surface of the Allen keys, as you push it down, is just a pointed surface, but if I could transfer it to a flat surface, the contact area becomes much greater. So that is why I am doing that. So just to make sure the metal plate and the screw would align itself more or less, I could eyeball that, so that could apply the necessary pressure, so it could get a better contact. So with that, I think it's a very good contact. Nothing's gonna happen even under a great load. Okay, to do the trick. Now it's a matter of pushing this cover back in. Well, just to make things a bit smoother, I use some oil, some old cooking oil around this. Just some normal cooking oil. Mine is palm oil. So hopefully that would help the whole thing slide in much easier. Just a very thin coat of it. Rubber snug me in. I've used the other side of the connector. So the other side of the connector, I've just the male side of it, just connect it and make sure I get a good push on it. So looking at this is very good, and it's not too difficult as what I've done in the past. Do not need to create a Buddhist pump down here to get this connected. So this section is all done. Continue to the next one then. Okay, now's the turn for the positive terminal. So what I did was I actually took a short drive down to Jerry's place. I've seen all these little press out part in their scrap tanks, all of stainless steel. So top grade stainless steel. So I quickly went down and collected. There was like a drum of them, but I've just quickly scraped through it and found some of these and some other pieces. So I found out that these are the sizes that would be most suitable for this collar. So I've collected maybe at least more than sufficient for this project in this bag here. So go on. So now we have stainless steel as the what do you call it, as the pressure plate for the tins connector now. So on to the positive terminal. Process is almost the same. So with the pressure plate in place, so not too much problem. So the pressure plate, I just leave it a little bit at the back so I could see it, and that should help me easily to align the screw point. that should hold firmly the whole plate in whole cable into the socket. Next is to oil it a little bit with the palm oil. Then we are done with the positive cable. You could actually see how the plate action is from this angle of the camera. I hope you could see it. So it would push the whole thing in without damaging the copper collar too much. So just a small depth of cooking oil all around it, just a really thin layer. Bonus pump. Oh. I think that should do it. Yep, that's another good connection. No, not any excess even. That's a good sign. So that's another connection done, all sealed. Just a precaution, some red tape at the end. I think that that's gonna help a little bit more, I hope. Well, I have to shift the operation to the back because I'm working on the back cablings. So that's how it more or less looks like, the cable, and with the stainless steel piece in. So the whole thing, it's quite neat and clean. It's all neat and well packed. Sorry about lighting. The weather suddenly turned dark and thunder. I can hear thunder actually, so that's why I have quickly recovered the top side, recovered the front side, and it's gonna rain any moment, I suppose. The whole thing is all very dark. So I'll continue to work inside the car for today, and we'll talk about it. Hopefully the weather turns for the better tomorrow. So both the positive terminal and the negative terminal is now of course connected, but if you look at the main switch, I have off the main switch, means it's on the off position. So the off position, so the whole pack is no life. Furthermore, there is one connection that is not connected. This connection is not connected. At least 3 of them is still disengaged, so there is no high voltage current yet passing through this thing. Well, this would be the out plus and minus. So now it's a matter of connecting all this as much as I could with the time remaining. So this contactor to the battery minus to the controller is in. It's sturdy. So now it's controller minus to mode to the shunt. So I need to remove this caution tag from the Curtis. There goes the caution tag, and a couple of screws. I hope this could fit in quite well. Well, it's not the most exciting of work, you know, tying screws with some really tight spots to work on, you know, hardly get any clearance. You see from here it's quite a big mess down here. So that's how things are now. I'll just I think the sun is going to set quite soon. Not a whole long time of sun remaining, so I'll continue to work here while I'll see you guys again next week, you know. So I'll still be on this wiring circuits, still not done yet, you know. It's still far from that. I think I still need another week to go. So thanks again guys for watching. I'll see you guys again next week.